How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Faulks Tech YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be unboxing the Google Home Mini. This is a great little smart home automation device that is used by many people. It supports quite a few things. If you can see here, we got the works with Nest, Philips Hue, Wemo, Google Chromecast, Google Photos, Spotify, Netflix, YouTube. There's tons. Google supports over 1,000 compatible devices with apps. So this is a great little device. It's, as you can see on the back, small and mighty. Google Home Mini is powered by the Google Home Assistant or Google Assistant. Ask it questions, tell it to do things. It's never been easier to get the hands-free help in any room. All right, and as you can see here, I'm just gonna read this all to you, and then we're gonna open this guy up. Know it all. Tap into the power of Google to get answers to your questions. Tackle your day, set alarms and reminders, find out your commute, get the news, and more. So you can make hand-free calls. I've seen people do basically like order a pizza using this device. It's really cool with all the things you can do with this guy. And of course, here is just a few examples of what you can ask the Google Home. So yeah, it's a really neat device here. I got the charcoal edition, so let's go ahead and unbox it here. All right, so I'm going to unbox it a little differently. I'm going to unbox it from here. There's a tab you can pull, and of course this tells you what it includes, which is the Google Home Mini AC adapter, and of course it says Wi-Fi network is not included, as well as an Android mobile device. And here's some more information about the logo and trademark. But yeah, I'm going to be opening this guy up here. The reason for that, well, you'll see in an upcoming video. So, without further ado, let's jump into this guy and unbox it. Alright, so I've already opened this one time, just to make sure everything looked good. Alright. So, again, this is not the traditional Google Home unboxing. This will not be the first thing you look at when you open it properly. In one of my videos in the future, you'll see me open this box up properly, and that's all I'm going to say about it. It's kind of like a little hint to look forward to in the future. So again, this is not the traditional way. So here is our charger. Very high quality charger. It feels. It's got a really nice way to carry it for travel. I mean, this guy can roll up quite nicely with these little tabs. Alright, so I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this further. Let's go ahead and just do this. Alright, here is the device. Here's the device we've all been waiting for. So I'm going to set this down. Alright, so here it is, guys. This is the Google Home Mini. We have, now this is really cool. I'll power it on to show you what it can do. It has two volume rockers, touch-based, haptic feedback, not really actual buttons. We have a microphone where you can mute it and unmute it. This is where your power cable goes. But yeah, it's a really neat device. Let's go ahead and power this guy on, and we'll see what it can do. Also, before I do that, let me show you this. You get, in the box, you get a Let's Get Started box, our little basically guide here. This goes through how to set it up. You just plug it in, get the app, and it does everything else. Sort of like my video where you saw the Shield, how I set that up. This is pretty similar. You just download the app, open the app, and it'll bring in all your information from the app. It connects through Bluetooth initially, and then from your app it gets your Wi-Fi passwords and things like that. Alright, get to know your Google Home Mini. I haven't looked at these quotes yet. So this basically gives you more questions pertaining to the room you're in and what made sense. And of course, you get a support, little information 24/7. Be safe. This is your safety warranty. Dropped it. This is your safety warranty here. Goes through all the safety features and how to stay safe with this dangerous Google Home here. So let me move this out of the way. I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm going to power this guy on, get it up and running, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so we got it powered up. I want to show you what happens when I hit the side, and also I want to show you what happens when you say the OKG without it being programmed. So here's how to turn the volume up and down. So all I'm doing is tapping, and you can see the lights. It's all the way up, and it's muted. Now even when it's muted, it can still hear, and it'll still have an audio. For example, here we go. Okay, Google. Cancel.
Please log in through the Google Home app.
So there you go. That shows you, that's what it says when you don't have it programmed, which I'm going to do next. So I'm not really programmed. I keep using that term, but it's actually linked to my account. So I'm going to show you what happens there. So let's go and turn this drive back up. And I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, so you're now looking at my phone. I've already downloaded the Google Home app, so I'm just going to navigate over to it here. There it is right there. I'm going to open this guy up. And we got a Chromecast app, so we're going to do link your account. Living room. Next. Include more. Next. We're going to skip this. I'll set this up later. We're going to click I'm sure. Alright, so we got the music selections here. I can set it up to be connected to all these. Right now I don't have anything but Pandora, so I'm going to click skip here. I don't really want to set up my Pandora right now. I'll click OK. Netflix, I'm going to skip this as well. No thanks. Alright, so we see almost done. Going to click continue. Living room speaker is ready. Continue.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Alright, that was really loud. Let's cut you down. So as you just saw, guys, I just connected it and Google was blaring in my ear. So here are some examples I could use with it. Okay, Google. Set volume to 20%. Alright, so okay. So here I'm going to move back to the camera and we're going to run a couple tests. Alright guys, so it is now set up. So if I go, okay Google, how's the weather?
Right now in St. Andrews it's 62 and sunny. Today it'll be clear with a forecasted high of 62 and a low of 36.
And there you go guys. So that's basically the unboxing and how to set up the Google Home Mini. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.